Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about counteracting stress. A survey conducted by the Australian Federal Health Department in 1980 revealed that stress is the aspect of modern life that concerns most people. It is clear that life has become so complex, hypnotizing and confusing for many people today that they find it very difficult to slow down, relax and unwind even when they get the opportunity. Constant concern with making ends meet economically, coupled with the tensions and frustrations of modern social, marital, family and community life, frequently transform life into a pressure cooker without a safety valve. Deprived of more traditional forms of emotional and psychosomatic release such as prayer, religious worship, sport or creative recreation, many sensitive modern men and women confront a situation of spiraling tension without escape. When the cooker explodes, mental breakdown and physical disease commonly result.